What an absolute crazy move for Bitcoin. I cannot believe the power that we've seen from the bulls over the last few days, guys. Look at this. It saw a bump of up to 32%. Can you believe it? After that rollover, after the $300 million liquidations, this is why we love crypto, because it is just surprising every single day. And today we're checking out the AGIX token, the very popular artificial intelligence coin, SingularityNET, which is now ranked 79, by the way, up 27% against Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Can this coin keep pumping? We're going to have a look at some analysis in this video. If you're new to this channel, you're right there, please do subscribe, as we are one of the fastest growing communities with over 5,000 Discord members now, and also a very humble and legitimate community as well. So please do sub to the channel if you're new here. Now let's have a little look at what's going on in the AI world of crypto right now. We can see all the AI coins, the sector itself is already booming at 4.11 billion valuation, which is 0.37% sector dominance. So there's a few other coins you can potentially look at. You've got the Graph, you've got SingularityNET, Fetch, Ocean Protocol, and a few other lower cap coins down here, which are definitely worthwhile looking at and researching if you wish to. But today we're just going to look at SingularityNET because it's now got 106,000 followers, and of course it seems like the pump just is continuing. It's bullish continuation, so we're going to follow the trend. The trend is your friend, as they usually say, and see what can happen to this particular coin. Building the AI and AGI foundation, which is very nice to see. So here is a bit of analysis we're going to look at. Been a very exciting few days for AGIX coin, and to be honest, guys, people are winning. They're certainly winning in the Discord as well. So if you want to get in on the Discord stuff, people are making quite a bit of money on some of the signals and calls from the analysts here, and myself also. Really just join down below, guys. The Discord link is there for trading. We've got pre-sales, much more. If you want to get VIP access to absolutely everything, unlock the best package, there's only 97 slots available for the VIP package now, where you're basically going to unlock DCA, signals, one-on-one lessons, an ebook, everything you need to help you basically progress in the crypto markets, as well as continued support from moderators and the community. So let's have a look. The major resistance right now for AGIX is $0.66. It was nice to see that correction here towards the end of February, where we came down to 0.33. We got that pump again, and then following the recent liquidations, we actually came back down to 0.28, which was a great buy-in level or dollar cost average here. For this particular coin, the pump was 98%, so basically a 2x of your money. So we are a bit overextended. We're looking a bit overextended on that 20-day moving average here, but also a little bit overbought. And that's the relative strength index I'm speaking of. We can see we are printing a bearish divergence at current time, where we are producing higher highs on the price, lower highs on the RSI structure, which could indicate that we might lose this key area of support at $0.48 in this what looks like an ascending channel, but I think really it could be a bit more than that. It might be a bit of a converging chart pattern. We are starting to lose that support right now, so this is flipped back into resistance. By the time we upload this, I'm sure whatever I'm saying is going to be invalidated, but in the Discord people will be knowing exactly what we're talking about. Yeah, so for me right now, the next technical target is continued rollover, and we have two support levels that we could be looking out for, which is basically back down to 0.476 or back down to 0.460. So interesting. Obviously we're falling. Okay, spoke too soon, guys. I think we've hit it almost in this video. Let's see what happens. It's going to be very volatile. Obviously buying back right now. If we move into smaller time frames, we're going to probably see a bit of buyback here. Ideally we want to see a V-shaped recovery, so very volatile. The smaller time frames do make sense. 0.495 would be a good retest of resistance, but if we get rejected, there's still that chance that we move down to the 0.476 here. Obviously lots of rollover, but we are oversold on the 5-minute time frame as well. Really interesting. Looking at the daily, however, there is a lot of selling pressure. We can see on these wicks. I mean, this is a very bearish candle here, very bearish, which could either be a good place for the bulls to accumulate more, but if the selling pressure persists, and we are going to see some negative downside in my opinion. If we look at our fib retracement here, the golden pockets tells us, well, really we're looking at the 0.43 but also the 0.39 as a retracement level. So wouldn't get too excited here, folks. Yes, it's pumping nicely, but really easy to see this move get invalidated. So be careful out there, guys. Bitcoin is already up 50% this year, beating stocks and gold in other news. So things are looking good, guys. We're in the right space. I think in the future we'll see the overall market cap exceed gold. And, you know, we're slowly seeing that money come from FTSE 100, from stocks, from Forex. All those traders, all those guys, they want a piece of the crypto cake right now. And I think that's really, really good. So, yeah, AGIX for the short term, that is my prediction. For the long term, now, long term, anything could happen, really. If we're talking about the next couple hundred days, then easily $1 is achievable. It absolutely is achievable, and that's because the market cap's still low at 582 million. Next crypto bull run targets, we've got 60% in supply. We're looking at a $582 million market cap. If 2 times the quantity just got injected right now, we'd be looking at the market cap, of course, staying the same, but the price would be halved. So we'll be looking at 0.24, maybe then times 10. I think $2.50 by the next crypto bull run is very realistic. Now, of course, remember, nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Do your own research, guys. This is just the very first stepping stone. Check out those pre-sale links down below as well if you want to explore some high potential, high risk, high reward scenarios such as Fight Out or Love It In You. And thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. See you soon, and the crypto markets look strong as always. Laters, bye for now.